Jia County Yihong Abrasives Company Limited, established in 2009, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of manufacturer abrasive products, including fiberglass backing pads, flap disc, flap wheel, abrasive belt, cutting and grinding disc, and other related abrasive products. We are located in Jia County near Zhengzhou with convenient transportation access, with 2 producing factories. Cooperation Company plants area of more than 15,000 square meter. As a professional abrasive product supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, production line, quality control and inspection, and company running. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to Germany, South Korea, India, Japan, Brazil, Turkey, USA, and other more than 50 countries and regions. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please feel free to talk with our sales teams about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.